Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best eye heating pad is probably one of the most relaxing and beneficial self-care tools you can own. Whether you're battling dry eyes, eye strain from staring at screens all day, or just want to unwind after a long day, this product could be your new best friend. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of eye heating pads, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. RENPHO Eyeris One Eye Massager, Valentine's Day Gift. Looking for the perfect gift? This eye massager is a thoughtful present for anyone. It's a great way to show you care about their well-being. This RENPHO eye mask uses air compression and vibration to relax the eye area. It's designed to help rejuvenate and soothe tired eyes after a long day. The mask blocks out light and provides gentle warmth to reduce stress. It can also help improve sleep quality, making it a great addition to any bedtime routine. The eye massager folds up for easy portability, so you can take it anywhere. The adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. This is a great gift for nurses, employees, or anyone who spends long hours in front of a screen. It's a thoughtful way to show appreciation and care for their well-being. Please note that vision may blur briefly after use. It is not suitable for those who have undergone eye operations or have certain eye conditions. Always check for any protein leather allergies before use. What we like? This eye massager offers a unique combination of air compression and vibration massage, perfect for those seeking a comprehensive eye relaxation experience. If you are looking for a way to unwind after a long day or need a travel-friendly solution for eye strain, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The heat feature is incredibly relaxing and feels great on tired eyes, especially after a long day or screen time. The built-in music adds to the calming experience and really helps you unwind, though you can turn it off if you prefer quiet. The heat feels incredible on tired, overworked eyes, and the massage hits all the pressure points I don't even realize I've been holding tension in all day. Number 4. MyHalos Heated Eye Mask. Are your eyes feeling dry or strained? This heated eye mask is designed to provide soothing relief. It releases moist heat to improve hydration and can help with various eye conditions. Comfort is a priority. This warming eye mask is designed to fit perfectly with an adjustable strap. Made from high-quality materials, it feels super soft against your eyelids, perfect for relaxation. Unlike other heat pads, this steam eye mask won't dry out. It's made from soft material for optimal comfort and comes with a free travel pouch to keep it clean. This makes it a great choice for your eye care routine. This warm eye mask can be used again and again. Simply remove the inner pouch before hand washing. It's extra durable, and the adjustable strap won't stretch out. We're confident that this mask will become a main eye care product. If you're not happy, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee within a year. We also provide 24/7 support. What we like? This heated eye mask provides moist heat, offering superior hydration and comfort compared to dry heat alternatives. If you suffer from dry eyes or need relief from sinus pressure, this mask is designed for you. With its reusable design, it is a sustainable and effective solution for daily use. What people say? The heating pad is easy to use and provides soothing warmth. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for different head sizes. The automatic shut-off feature is a great safety measure. Number 3. ProCIV Steam Eye Mask, relaxing and soothing. Dealing with a migraine? This mask applies gentle pressure and warmth to your eyes. It creates a dark, calming environment to help ease your pain faster. If you struggle with puffy or dry eyes, this mask is for you. It promotes blood circulation and provides a comfortable, soothing experience. It's like a spa treatment for your eyes. This disposable mask heats up automatically with a touch of sandalwood fragrance. It emits precise heat and moisture, offering rejuvenating relief for tired eyes. It's designed to make your eyes feel refreshed. No microwave or plugs needed. Just open and put it on. This mask starts warming up instantly, giving you a spa-like treatment anywhere. It's perfect for travel, the office, or at home. These eye masks make a great gift for anyone you care about. They are ideal for relieving dry eyes and eye fatigue. It's an affordable and thoughtful gift choice. The ear straps are cleverly hidden. Once you open the mask, find the cotton side and push with your thumb. Then, tear off the ear hook from the middle, and the strap will appear. What we like. This disposable eye mask offers the ultimate convenience with its self-heating feature and soothing sandalwood fragrance. If you are looking for a quick, spa-like experience without any preparation, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for travel, office use, or simply relaxing at home. What people say. The heating pad is easy to use and provides soothing warmth. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for different head sizes. The auto shut-off feature is a great safety measure. Number 2. CorneaCare Rest, Self-Heating Warm Compress. Tired of dry, irritated eyes? This self-heating eye mask offers instant relief without a microwave. It combines purified water and minerals to provide consistent, therapeutic warmth. This warm compress is designed to combat dryness, redness, and other common eye issues. It's your go-to solution for lasting comfort and improved eye health. Developed by eye doctors and supported by research, this mask delivers safe and effective relief. Trust it to protect your eye health and provide lasting comfort. Using this mask is easy, just place it over your eyes and relax. Use it for 10 to 15 minutes daily as part of your self-care routine, and feel the difference. Beyond eye relief, this mask hydrates and softens the skin around your eyes. Enjoy moisturized, healthy skin, leaving you with a refreshed look. While gentle, it may not suit everyone. If you have sensitive skin or eye conditions, consult your doctor. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. What we like. This self-heating eye mask provides instant relief with no need for a microwave, making it incredibly convenient. If you are looking for a doctor-developed solution to dry eyes and other eye irritations, this is the perfect choice. This mask is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. What people say. The heating pad is easy to use. The eye mask is comfortable and blocks out light. It has an auto shut-off feature. Number 1. Body Restore Heated Eye Mask 30-pack. These self-heating steam eye masks come in a variety of soothing options, including green tea, unscented, lavender, chamomile, and jasmine. They gently warm to relax tired eyes, ease stress, and refresh your senses, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy a calming, spa-like moment wherever you are. These eye masks are ideal for self-care routines, sleep support, or quick breaks to restore and relax naturally. It's great for bridal, postpartum, or self-care gift boxes. Relieve stress, eye fatigue, and tension with these steam eye masks. They are perfect for teachers, college students, or anyone in need of a little TLC. It is also unique gifts for coworkers and busy parents. Compact and easy to use, these steam eye masks are travel essentials. Whether on a plane, in a hotel, or at home, they're perfect for on-the-go relaxation and unwinding anytime, anywhere. These steam eye masks are air-activated and gently self-heating, promoting blood circulation around the eyes. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of soothing warmth to relax, relieve eye strain, and melt away stress. This steam eye mask is the ultimate self-care must-have, ideal for anyone. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or simply a thoughtful way to treat someone, it's a perfect addition to any self-care routine. What we like. This heated eye mask comes in a variety of scents, allowing you to choose the perfect aroma for your mood. If you are looking for a travel-friendly option that provides both relaxation and aromatherapy benefits, this is the perfect choice. It is perfect for those seeking a spa-like experience on the go. What people say. The heating pad is easy to use. The eye mask is very comfortable. The mask has an adjustable strap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.